ANKO strives to bring safe and delicious food to the world with automation production solution. ANKO Food Machine is seeking partnership with distributors and agents around the world to promote our machine and services. ANKO has sold our food solution to more than 114 countries in the world since 1978. And we welcome all the potential partners to join our team to have a prosperous future. 5 business advantages to work with ANKO. Professional consulting team support. ANKO has a group of engineers, from R&D engineer and mechanical engineer, even to the food recipe engineer. So by this different kind of engineer, they can help you from discussing with the customer, with the food recipe adjustment, even to the installation or even production line optimization. So by this whole team, we can give you the best support when you discussing with the customer. Wide variety of production lines. We can have a different kind of variety from the small scale to the large scale and provide all kinds of ethnic food to different parts of the world. As long as you have the food requirement, you can even do the customization. On-time delivery and quality control. ANKO has implemented lean production management system and supply chain management system. Therefore, we can ensure all the delivery time that we promised our customer, we can do it. More than that, due to competitive market, we have to ensure all the quality from our machine will be trustable. Target client list. We have a lot of inquiries from the world every month. We can help you to expand your market in your territory. Professional marketing team support. Complete catalog, product information, videos, even the social media content to help the visibility in different countries. Even that, when you decide to participate exhibition or trade show in your countries, ANKO has a service to help you to do the booth design and supply the catalog to you to help you to get the best result. Always give the best support and also the professional resources to our agent and partners. For example, there's one agent that we cooperate like 10 to 15 years back. In the very beginning, there are only 2 people in their company. But after evaluation that we think they are very potential because they willing to have the commitment to sell machines in their territory. Therefore, we send a team, a professional team, to go with them and to visit the market and visit the customer one by one, and helping them or even to teaching them or training them how to evaluate what kind of machine can fit this food product and how to evaluate the food recipe and what kind of ingredients we have to use, what's the ratio by the water and oil content. And so those kind of the resources we supply by our professional team, even the team from Taiwan. So after these decades, they grow so fast and they become one of our biggest agents in the world right now. We are not only selling the food machinery, and we want everyone in the world can enjoy this delicious food. Be a partner with ANKO.